lower this value is, the more it will pull toward the head. It was set very high before, so watch this. This is honestly impressive. The new Pixel update has arrived, and today I am going to show you everything. I am already here in multiplayer, because some of my customers already know about the new update. I implemented a new aim color system, which can track the selected color and help the aim stay connected to it. I am going to move my crosshair over the bot so you can see it clearly. Right now, it is not active. As you can see, nothing is happening. The input is still showing as mouse. Now, the interface is much better. There is also a new theme, and the version is now 2.2. I am going to activate it now. It uses the same system as before. Activated. Recognized successfully. For those who do not know how it works, this is how the system is running. The interface has changed, and it looks much more professional. This part is still the same. The macros are also here. I adjusted the parachute macro, rapid fire, and everything is working properly. I also added this new option. If you buy the software and you do not understand how each macro works, this section explains it for you. So, if you are not sure what each macro does, you can read it here. Everything is explained in a simple way. Now, this part is where things get really interesting. Inside Aim Color, we have the configuration section. There is a legit preset, but I personally like using Rage for testing and demonstration. Here on Mouse 2, you also have the FOV option. You can control the FOV from here. You can also control the color tolerance, the smooth, and the speed that makes it follow the target. For this demonstration, I am going to leave it on Rage so you can see how strong it is. Right now, it is disabled. I am going to activate it. There we go. I am not sure if it will work immediately, but I am going to connect the controller. The controller is connected. I will turn the game sound back on. Now I am going to activate it again. Activated. You can already see the FOV on the screen. Now I am going to move the crosshair over the character, and at first it should not lock strongly. As you can see, it is not fully sticking yet. That is because this is only the AimAssist working. But if I aim properly, watch what happens. Wait, I died there. Now I will move the crosshair like this, with the aim open. You can see it already pulled a little. Look at that. This is very strong. If you are already a user, you can see that it is pulling toward the head. If you play BO7 multiplayer, for example, it can help keep the aim closer to the head area. Inside the panel, you can control this. The lower this value is, the more it will pull toward the head. It was set very high before, so watch this. This is honestly impressive. But remember, use responsible settings. Aim. Assist itself is not a cheat tool, but if you abuse very aggressive settings, your account can still be reviewed or receive temporary restrictions. A shadow review is not the same as a permanent ban, but it can still affect your account. So always use the settings carefully and follow the rules of the game you are playing. As you can see while I am talking, this is not a bot. It is simply tracking very strongly because I configured it in Rage mode. Now I am going to change it back to a more legitimate configuration. As you can see, smooth is at 25 and the offset is higher. That means it will follow the target in a lighter way. It will still pull a little, but with a softer intensity from the aim color system. The best part is that now you have both AimAssist and aim color together. And this aim color system is performing extremely well. I have not tested it in Warzone yet, but if you are already a customer, you can test it and send your configuration in the Discord config chat. That helps other users who are still learning how to set everything up. As you can see, it still follows the target, but now it is aiming closer to the chest or lower body area. That happens because the offset is high. The higher the offset is, the more it pulls downward. The lower the offset is, the more it pulls toward the head. You can see it following the target right now. This is the aim color system. It is honestly very impressive. And this is the new emulator. I am going to lower the sound here. This is the emulator interface. You have the FOV displayed here, and you also have aim color. If you do not want to use it, you can simply disable it. You can also disable the FOV display whenever you want. Here you have the sensitivity settings, and as many of you already know, better sensitivity means better aim assist performance. Also, keep in mind that I was not even using boosted aim assist here. For anyone who did not understand yet, the software is fully clean, much more professional, and the interface looks much better now. With AimCol,